Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this accident-free, one-owner 2020 GMC 3500HD Denali. This four-wheel drive crew cab is powered by a DURAMAX 6.6-liter turbo diesel V8, cranking out 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 6-speed automatic Allison transmission. Moving to the back of the truck, you have the side box steps, these 22-inch fuel off-road wheels. You also have the rear bumper corner steps. On this Denali, you have the split opening rear tailgate. And if we flip that back up, you also have the self-opening full tailgate. In your standard box, you have power on each side, and everything is nicely covered with a tonneau cover. Moving up to the interior, you have driver seat memory, power adjustable and folding mirrors, which are heated. You also have power adjustable windows, the BOSE premium sound system, a handle to help you get in, as well as on the dash is your tow mode, four-wheel drive controls, lighting controls, and heads-up display. On your heated steering wheel, you have your forward collision warning, cruise control, display controls, and hands-free audio. This truck is currently sitting at 66,671 kilometers. You have your sun moonroof controls, a digital rear view mirror, storage at the top of the dash, a large infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go, dual zone automatic climate controls with heated and cooled front seats, your exhaust brake, lane departure warning, rear parking aid, tailgate release, and other accessories. You have a tow brake controller and power ports, as well as a wireless phone charger. This truck has black leather seats, and the front two are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have handles to help you get in, a great view of the sun moonroof, pockets in the back of both front seats. The rear seats are heated. You have rear air ventilation as well as power ports. These rear seats have storage in the two side seats. They're 60/40 split flip-up rear seats for extra storage, and you have a flip-down cup holder in the center. If you would like to see this 2020 GMC Sierra 3500HD Denali in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.